Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from healthytreatsmarket.com. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a delicious keto Jett's Copycat pizza in under 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do is put my skinny bread, a quarter cup of skinny bread, quarter cup of egg whites, and 2 tablespoons plain non-fat Greek yogurt. I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to take it, I'm going to spray my griddle here, then I'm going to take this and put it on the griddle. You can always go on healthytreatsmarket.com and order a budget bundle and do what I'm doing. You can eat pizza and lose weight all day long. And I've got hundreds of recipes like this. You can just go on healthytreatsmarket.com online, and the recipe book is literally right there. You just click on it. There's categories, and you can even type in the search bar pizza. I've got 17 or 20 or something recipes for pizza. I'm gonna close that now, and I'm gonna give you guys a minute. I'm gonna give it a minute to cook. See how my personal pizza came out? I'm gonna put some pizza sauce. Close this for another second, let it melt. That's what's awesome about the dash, is like it cooks it so good, it gets it all melted. You just freeze it like this, and then you can just take it out and warm it up and eat it.